fully loaded. Tip-top shape. Do you want it all? Well, with this good-looking 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500, you are going to get it. It's in terrific shape, which means you won't have to touch a tool or be afraid to look under its hood. New car test drive said it is and always has been one of a kind. It successfully combines the hauling capacity of a long bed pickup with the comfort of a 5-passenger sport utility vehicle. You'll want to be sure and take note of the included the chrome appearance package, chrome front tow hooks and polished stainless steel exhaust tip, LTZ Plus sales package, preferred equipment Group 1 LZ, heavy-duty rear locking differential, power adjustable heated outside mirrors, dual-zone automatic climate control, remote vehicle starter system, power adjustable pedals for accelerator and brake, 3-passenger flat folding 60/40 rear split bench, Bose premium audio system feature, head curtain side impact airbags, color-keyed rear fascia, rear seat entertainment system, universal home remote, 20x8.5 polished aluminum floor, power tilt sliding sunroof with express open, rain sense front intermittent wipers, ultrasonic rear parking assist, and front halogen fog lamps. Polar is the safest, easiest place on earth to buy a vehicle. No kidding. Call, email, or stop by today.